Hello folks, welcome back to the homestead, the mud puddle. Yesterday, my granddaughter, her little boyfriend, and myself, we spent a good part of the day in Seligman, Arizona for the annual Route 66 Fun Run. Basically, it's a car show. It's a 3-day car show. They hit 3 different towns, including Seligman, which is where we were at. This video has nothing to do with living off the grid or homesteading. But we had a lot of fun, guys, and I did take a little bit of video of some of the cars out there. A lot of cool old and new cars, guys. It's just a fun time. A lot of people were in town, and like I said, a lot of cool cars. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys. It's a short video, but we had a lot of fun. Take care of yourselves. If you have any questions or any comments, please let me know. Take care of yourselves, and we'll talk to you next time. We are in Seligman, Arizona. There's a car show happening today. A lot of folks here. The weather is not cooperating very well, but hopefully it won't get any worse. It's sprinkling right now. Seligman is famous for Route 66. And also the cartoon movie Cars that came out quite a few years ago was inspired by this town. If you've ever seen that movie, you'll probably recognize some of these buildings and vehicles. And I'm sure most of you will probably recognize this little guy. Yeah, this is definitely a touristy town. A lot of classic cars. And like I said earlier, a lot of newer cars as well. Hot rods. It's a lot of fun. I'm out here with my granddaughter and her little boyfriend.
Maybe Jana will drive you guys down there. I can ride my bike and she'll drive you guys down there. White.
Where you were at. I'm gonna play some music. There's a ton of sponsors. We got a big thing going on at 3 o'clock. It'll be all the sponsors. Their car show. If you want to register for that, that is also happening.
You're not. We're heading there. Yeah, that's the next thing. We're gonna head north. And, well, first Williamson, right?
Well, I parked on the side of the road just to watch the cool cars drive around. My granddaughter and her boyfriend are out walking around. It seems to be clearing up a little bit. Right now it is 68 degrees outside, perfect temperature. We had lunch at the Snow Cap, which is one of the little local drive-ins here in Seligman. Burgers and fries. That's all right. Very, very busy for this little small town. Usually you get tour buses that pass through here daily, several of them. And they stop and folks get out and walk around. Most of these tour buses are headed to the Grand Canyon. This is one of their stopping points. It's just fun to get out here and meet people and you know, talk about cars. It's pretty incredible how a lot of these cars are very, very old cars, vintage cars, I guess. And when you talk to the owners, they know everything about their car. You know, things that I've never heard of. So it's pretty cool to listen to people that have a passion for their cars.